Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about our next indicator, that is SuperTrend. SuperTrend is useful for finding out the trend in the market, or let's say super indicator indicates that where to enter in the market. Okay. I am not fully believe on the super trend because I am the price action and breakout strategy person. That's why I more focused on the breakout and price action topic more. Now the reason why I am telling you, or why I am teaching you the super trend, because it's better to having some grasp or having some knowledge about some indicators as well. So let's get started with the super trend indicator. Now what you need to do, as usual, go to indicators, type super trend. Once you type super trend, you will get some lines here. Once you get the lines, what you need to do is you just need to go to setting of super trend and be sure that you are using length as a 10 and factor as a 3. It contains some mathematical formula behind it, so no need to cover that one. Now why we are using 10 and 3? Because it's a globally accepted value, or let's say it's a standard value which everyone is supposed to use. You can change as per your experimentation, and you can figure it out to the way how to use that value by your own experimentation. Okay, now this is the super trend. Why it is suggesting is, if you zoom in little bit, you will get some markers here. See, you are getting the markers like you need to make a short position here, or you need to make a buy position here, right? So whenever you can get the marker like this, you're supposed to enter in the market. It's that much simpler. Okay, see, this is the green marker, red marker. What green marker represent? Green marker will represent buying in the market. Red marker represents selling in the market. Now how to trade? It's really simple. Whenever you get this marker, this is super trend is very useful for the scalping strategy. And as you know, scalping is nothing but capturing the small movements in the market. For example, enter here, exit at this position. This is the scalping strategies. If you are using the super trend for the long position, or if you want to hold your position for the long side or long time, then super trend will not help you that much if market is not trendy. Now if you get the marker like this one, you need to make entry at this candle and put stop loss above this marker. As well as the best time frame which I gone through, or which I experimented and which I found, is 5 minute will work best for the as per intraday. But there are multiple time frames which we can use. More the time frame, better the result. If you choose, instead of 5 minutes, you can choose 10 minutes as well, and just check the results. In the 10 minutes, see, it will confuse you. If you enter here, then your stop loss will hit. If you enter here, then you will get enough rally, something like that. So you need to figure out by your own way. But in my point of view, as an intraday trader, 5 minute and 10 minute will be fine. But for the swing trading, you can choose more than half hour, like 30 minutes or 1 hour time frame, or 1 day time frame to use super trend. But I will suggest you 30 minutes and 1 hour is good for the swing trading. But for now, you can focus on the 5 minute and 10 minute for the super trend. Super trend will not give 100% accurate that market will buy here, or market from the market selling will come from here. Okay, it will always confuse you. So it's better to combine super trend as well as the price action. Now how to combine? Go to 5 minute chart, because 5 minute will work very good as a price action. Just check the trend clearance. Now what is the price action here? If I hide super trend for a minute, see what is the price action here. Market created double top pattern, right? Market created double top pattern. And if you check this price action with the super trend, then what super trend will suggesting is, super trend is suggesting sell here, right? Sell here, something around here. Now you need to go for the selling at this candle, put stop loss above this one. That is also fine. This is also one more advantage for the super trend, for the clear understanding of the trend. Now if you say buy from here, then also fine, because the reason is, see, market moved upside, market moved down, market moved upside. Now how it will work best? Suppose if you have the support and resistance level, for example, this is the resistance level, this is the support level. If super trend and the resistance level is also mentioning same thing, like it is breaking the resistance, as well as super trend is also suggesting for buying, then go for the buying. That's all we need for the super trend. But do not believe too much or do not depend on too much in the super trend. I am personally not using super trend. I am purely depend on the price action in the market. Okay, so you can try and experiment by yourself. You will get to know. Make trading as simple as possible. No need to add moving average, no need to add super trend, no need, super trend, moving average, support, resistance. If you combine all these things into one chart, it will confuse you. So always better to follow your, create your own method, strategy, market sentiment. It will help you a lot. Thank you so much. Hope you understood the whole concept of the super trend. You can take your time analyzing the market. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.